I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to Koh Lanta Island, Thailand. Today, we'll be exploring the enchanting beaches of this beautiful island, and I'm excited to take you on this 4-Kelvin walking tour. Get ready to soak in the sun, enjoy the breathtaking scenery, and marvel at the crystal clear waters that Koh Lanta has to offer. Before we start, please click the like button if you're excited about this tour, and remember to leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Our first stop is the stunning Klong Dao Beach, a long stretch of soft, white sand and clear turquoise waters. It's the perfect spot to relax and sunbathe, and you'll find plenty of beachside cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy a delicious Thai meal. Next, we'll make our way to Long Beach, a beautiful beach that stretches over 3 kilometers. The beach is lined with palm trees and offers stunning views of the Andaman Sea. It's an excellent spot for swimming, snorkeling, and enjoying the sun. Our next stop is Kantiang Bay, a picturesque beach located in the southern part of the island. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery, and the waters are calm and inviting. That brings us to the end of our tour of Koh Lanta's enchanting beaches. I hope you enjoyed this 4-Kelvin walking tour, and don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.